Just making a quick video on this Tesla Model S. If you own a Tesla Model S, you may be interested in the benefits of what we've done to this car. We installed a full body SunTech PPF wrap. We used ceramic window film all the way around, and then we topped it off with a ceramic coating and the wheels to make life easy to maintain. So coming from my own experience of owning one of these cars, the front end is notorious for getting rock chips, the rocker panels, and then the lower arm of the quarter panel. The reason why we protect these cars with paint protection film is to stop rock chips, scratches, bug etchings, and any impact that hits the film. We use ceramic window film because that offers the highest heat rejection, cools the car down, and gives us some privacy. And then we installed ceramic coating, and that is basically what's going to give us ease of maintenance, keep the film looking great, makes the wheels easier to clean, and basically acts as a superficial layer of debris, dirt, bugs that hits that film. This particular owner, we wrapped his Tesla Model 3 about 4 or 5 years ago. He sent the car to another shop where they didn't wrap the edges, dirt built up, didn't meet his expectations. He brought it to us, and that video is in the link below. So when he bought this new Model S, he brought it to us for this work. And if you want a more in-depth video, basically explaining how we wrap the car, why we wrap the car, the way we install window film, check out the Model Y video below, and that will give you a greater in-depth. So check out the finals on this.